Shri Matre Namaha friends, welcome to the podcast series of Hindu Media Wiki. On the eve of Vasant Panchami, we are here to present you with simple ways of cleansing Vak Dosha, that is, having bad speech. Vak Dosha is having no control over the speech and the results of the said words. It is also termed as Vani Dosha. This is a major problem seen in all age groups and at all times. Vani Dosha makes a way to a lot of accumulated karma of having insulted or hurted others. Out of all nindas, Dev Ninda is the most common kind of ninda we come across. What is ninda? To bring ill talk or spread ill about a particular form of existence of something is called ninda. It can be a human, a god of faith, or a situation. Talking ill about gods is Dev Ninda. One done to Jivas is Jeev Ninda. One done to Gurus is Guru Ninda. And finally, the most striking one, the Pitru Ninda. That is, the one done to the parents or the departed souls of our grandfathers and grandmothers. Ninda, done intentionally or unintentionally, has its own repercussions. It should be addressed by Paschatapa or repentance and Prayaschitta or atonement. People who willfully wish to cleanse the karma should adapt some procedures which not only helps to get rid of severity of the sin but also helps to improve Vani or speech. Goddess Lalitambika Tripurasundari is considered as Matruka Devi, the goddess of Samskrita letters. There are 8 Vashinyadi Vak Devis who rule the speech and precisely the Samskrita Aksharamala. 8 Vargas of Samskrita Aksharamalas are A Varga, Ka Varga, Cha Varga, Tha Varga, Ta Varga, Pa Varga, Ya Varga and Sa Varga. They are ruled by 8 Vak Devis called Vashini, Kameshwari, Modini, Vimale, Arune, Jayini, Sarveshwari and Kaulini. Now let's see how do we overcome Vani Dosha and attain Vak Shuddhi. Before that, let's understand what is Trikaran Shuddhi. Trikaran Shuddhi is purity and unity in thoughts, speech and actions. A human should have harmony of these 3 Shuddhis while communicating. Humans should abstain from speaking Vikriti Tattva or Tamasic or Rajasic words, that is, abusive words. The major goal of a human life is to attain Trikaran Shuddhi. How do we attain Trikaran Shuddhi? Trikaran Shuddhi. For thoughts, we need to do meditation or japam. For speech, we have to practice Mitabhashanam and Maunavratam. For actions, we have to read stotras, stutis and other scriptures. When a human tries to apply the learnings to his thoughts, he would have control on his speech, leading to have control on actions. To control our thoughts, 7 chakra meditation on Purnima and Amavasya and throat chakra meditation on every Wednesdays give good results. Japa mantras which can be used for meditation are: for throat chakra meditation, use Hum Bija Mantra or Aim Bija Mantra. Hum is the Bija Mantra for throat chakra. Aim is the Bija Mantra for Mata Saraswati. Second mantra is Aim Vada Vada Vagvadini Swaha. This mantra means you are calling Mata Vagdevi, that is Saraswati, to come and get seated in our chakras. She is very important for speech. This particular mantra can be taught to all children from the age they start speaking. Next mantra is Aim Sharadayai Namaha. Next, Aim Saraswatyai Namaha. Continuously doing meditation on these mantras or bija mantras can help us cleanse our mental blockages and give us good thoughtful process. Now let's see how do we control our speech. Once we start doing meditation or japam, our thoughts automatically gets influenced by that particular silence. Speech is controlled by Mitabhashanam and Maunavratam. Mitabhashanam is talking less and talk wherever it is necessary, avoiding unnecessary talks and gossips. Maunavratam is practiced once in fortnight to control our mind. It should be preferably practiced on a Purnima and Amavasya. Having said there are many constraints to practice Maunavratam, people can definitely practice Mitabhashanam, that is, talking less. A unique way of controlling our actions is by reading stotras, stutis and scriptures. When we involve our time in reading them and understanding the meaning, we automatically take a lot of learnings from those particular scriptures. Hence, we try to guard our actions. With these practices, when we get a unity and purity in thoughts, speech and actions, we are free from Vani Dosh or Vak Dosha. Some of the stotras or stutis which you can practice for Vani Niyantran are Guru Dakshinamurti Stotram, Narayani Stuti, Hayagriva Stotram, Shri Rudram, Medha Suktam, Saraswati Stuti, Shyamala Dandakam by Adi Shankaracharya. We can offer our namaskarams to Vagdevis like this by adding Om and Vagdevyai Namaha. Om Vashini Vagdevyai Namaha. Om Kameshwari Vagdevyai Namaha. Om Modini Vagdevyai Namaha. Om Vimale Vagdevyai Namaha. Om Arune Vagdevyai Namaha. Om Jaini Vagdevyai Namaha. Om Sarveshwari Vagdevyai Namaha. Om Kaulini Vagdevyai Namaha. Aim Saraswatyai Namaha. One should also learn this small snippet from Shri Shyamala Dandakam by Adi Shankara. सर्वतीर्थात्मिके सर्वमन्त्रात्मिके सर्वयन्त्रात्मिके सर्वतन्त्रात्मिके सर्वचक्रात्मिके सर्वशक्त्यात्मिके सर्वपीठात्मिके सर्ववेदात्मिके सर्वविद्यात्मिके सर्वयोगात्मिके सर्ववर्णात्मिके सर्वगीतात्मिके सर्वनादात्मिके सर्वशब्दात्मिके सर्वविश्वात्मिके सर्ववर्गात्मिके सर्वसर्वात्मिके सर्वगे सर्वरूपे जगन्मातृके पाहि मां देवि तुभ्यं नमो देवि तुभ्यं नमो देवि तुभ्यं नमो देवि तुभ्यं नमः। श्री राजश्यामला देव्यै नमः। Rajashyamala Devi or goddess Matangi is the Mantrini and the Tantra Devi form of the goddess Saraswati. She is very important goddess for speech. 9 days starting from Magha Shuddha Padimi to Magha Shuddha Navami are considered as Matangi Navaratris or Saraswati Navaratris. We hope you liked this podcast on Vakshuddhi on the eve of Vasant Panchami. We would like to request you to please check the dolls by Tringrahi on Amazon, Flipkart and other e-commerce sites. This person is making amazing handmade dolls of all the beautiful characters of different epics and our dharmic gods. Please check them and gift these beautiful dolls to your children on the eve of Matangi Navratri. We wish you subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more and more podcasts like these. Thank you. Namaskar. Shri Matre Namaha. I am Saraswatyai Namaha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.